Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. Think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Aneeq. Brand Aneeq is another brand from United Arab Emirates, from Middle East, and I unboxed and reviewed one of their fragrances before, and for the price, for the money, they were good. So I thought I'd go and get another one, and this one in particular intrigued me because the bottle is blue. So I thought maybe it's appropriate for this time of year, which is in the middle of summer, and it could be a fresh fragrance. And this one in particular called Oud Wafaa, and is Eau de Toilette, and it's 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30 if you do your research, if you Google it. In other places, in other countries, you have to do your research, see if it's available. So before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. Your motivation, your help, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much, and let's go. So as always, Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price. It looks very good. Sorry about the noise. Nice blue box. Attention to detail is always there. And the bottle is very dusty, which is a good sign. That means it's one of the earliest basically fragrances came out. Okay, here we go. From almost dark blue, almost black, to the lighter blue. It says Oud Wafaa Eau de Toilette 100 ml, and the cap, and look at it. The cap has got beautiful design to it. It's very heavy metal cap with the some sort of gemstone on top, and the atomizer, here we go. Very good atomizer. So Oud Wafaa by Aneeq, and this is 100 ml Eau de Toilette. As I said, in United Kingdom you can find it under £30. Okay, here we go. First impression. Holy moly, yes. It's nothing to do with the fresh fragrance or blue fragrance. This is spicy. The first thing it hits me is the spices. OMG, very spicy. This is super spicy. So I can smell definitely saffron, I can smell cinnamon, I can smell some herbal element, definitely. Some herbs like coriander, something like what else, basil. Oh, goodness me, what a beauty. But you have to like your spicy fragrances, because this is huge on the spices. I can smell something like a cumin. So it is very spicy, and it is spicy plus there are some incense element to it. Yeah, it's very incensey. I can smell myrrh, I can smell frankincense. So very spicy and also very incensey. Very green, but the greens are here is like very dark green. It's not a light green. So it's very dark green, like very earthy, very leafy, very tea trunky. It's like a very dark forest with lots of herbs and lots of trees that are quite camphorous. So this is very camphorous as well. Very sweet. So between 0 to 10 being the sweetest, this is around 8 to 9. So very sweet, at least for the first impression. So the sweetnesses come from smells like vanilla, Smells like musk. There's the big musky amber and musk elements in here. The amber is quite thick, it's quite dense, so it's very deep, it's very dense, and is very complex in the same time. So forget the blue color whatsoever, there's nothing blue in here. More like dark green, more like brown green, more like dark brown and things like that. So it is very, very woody. I can detect something woody in here as well, but the wood is at the moment is a background. Yeah, the wood is there, but it's in the background right now. Maybe later on it come forward. I can smell something powdery in here, most likely to be violet or lily of the valley, or maybe even iris, because it's very, very powdery right now. It's not super powdery, but it is very apparent. It's quite powdery. Very earthy, very green, very leafy, very what shall I say, grassy. But as I said, it's quite dark. It's not super dark, but it's quite dark, on the dark side of things. So for the first impression, first sniff, yes, 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 I've given it amazing. The smell is superbly good. The only thing is, this is very oriental, very Middle Eastern, very Arabic, very Eastern style of fragrance, perfumery. So you need to like those kind of fragrances. But what a smell, and what a combination of notes, is gorgeous. I can smell floral aspect, definitely rose, but it's not one of those combo of rose oud combo. No, the rose is there, but it's not massive. It's not a biggest player. Oh my goodness, yes. There are some white floral. There's definitely something powdery, which is, it could be iris, it could be lily of the valley, it could be violet, or there are some white florals in here as well. Maybe ylang ylang is here, because it gives me that feel of ylang ylang, because ylang ylang sometimes give you that feel of andolic feel, which is very, very apparent in here. So it is not animalic, but it is andolic. So I would say a little bit of animalicness in here as well. Not much, just a hint of it. It's a tinge of it, at least for first impression. Beauty, beauty. This is up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man. I'm a Middle Eastern man myself, so this is up my alley. I love this genre. I love this perfumery. It is definitely on the mature side. I would say 30 and up to be in the safe side, because this is very, very complex. It's very layered. It's super dimensioned, and definitely this is one of those fragrances you can use it all year round, but it's better suited for cooler weather. But because it's got some freshness to it, which is come from the florals and the greens and things like that, so you can use it in summer. Maybe not the high heat, because it's very sweet, but in maybe cooler parts of summer, and use the trigger less. So for heat, use less sprays. For winter and cold, use more sprays. But right now it's filling the room, and it's very, very strong. Tinge of leatheriness, leather, Swedish, definitely oud, but the oud, as I said, is not big yet, it's in the background. I'm feeling something green, earthy. Maybe there's a vetiver in here, and definitely patchouli, because it's giving me that little bit of feel of chocolate as well. Very, very complex. Wow, what a smell, and what a perfume. For a first sniff, first impression, yes, yes, yes. By the way, this is absolutely unisex. Men and women can wear it. This is bang in the middle, because it's got so many dimensions. Anybody can wear this. It's got all sorts of things in here. But for a first sniff, first impression, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it. Absolutely yes. Goodness me, what a smell. Beauty, beauty. So we have to wait and see the development. Definitely this kind of fragrance will develop, and also the longevity. I will guess that it's going to be good, but we'll have to wait and see. As I said, in terms of age, definitely mature, and in terms of sex, definitely middle of the road, so anybody can wear it, man and woman. In terms of occasion, this is opulent, so it's going to be a special occasion, evening, formal occasion, and things like that. What a beauty and what a smell. Absolutely yes. Okay guys, thank you very much. This was the first impression. If you have it, if you've tried it, if you know it, let us know your experience. That would be useful. And if you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. You can subscribe, you can like, comment, share this video with others, hit those bells. All these things will help me and it will help this channel to go a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I have 17 perfume in my lineup. They're called the scent of Persia because I'm a Persian, I'm an Iranian man, and the ingredients all come from Iran. There are pure perfume oils from my country, which nobody else on earth is doing the perfumes I'm doing, because the oils there are very limited amount and they're not accessible to everybody. So I bring you those fragrances which are amazing value for money, 100% natural, ultra beast mode, superbly artistic, very unique fragrances. But you need to live in a kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.